From the capital of Colombo, it takes around 5 to 6 hours to reach Horton Plains National Park, which is located in the central highlands of Sri Lanka. Most of the year, this plateau, situated at an elevation of more than 2,000 meters above sea level, is covered in mist. There are two main types of vegetation here: evergreen cloud forest and montane grassland. The origin of these distinctive grasslands have been debated, and the abrupt demarcation between the grasslands and forest in the highlands has intrigued scientists for centuries. One theory claims that it was a result of forest clearing and historical burning by herdsmen. In fact, German scientist Ernest Haeckel, who visited Horton Plains in the 1880s, stated that every year for a few months, Sinhalese mountain herdsmen would come to Horton Plains and set it on fire. This was done at the end of the dry season to improve the next crop of grass. Haeckel also stated that even though he saw the raging fires, he never saw the people who originated it. Interestingly, there's also a folklore about how Hanuman, the monkey god, set fire to these forests after his tail was set on fire by Ravana, the king of Lanka. It's said that the grasslands are a result of this fire. However, an extensive area of these cloud forests have suffered from a phenomenon known as forest dieback, or canopy dieback. Forest dieback has been attributed to many factors, including natural and man-made causes. Natural causes could be climatic factors, water abundance, or fungal diseases. Man-made causes may be air pollution, chemical substances used for plant protection, or global climate changes. According to a research conducted by the Department of Wildlife Conservation, the area of forest dieback, which was first observed in the 1970s, had increased to around 30% by 1998. So what's the effect of forest dieback and periodic fires? Even though regeneration does occur, the composition of the vegetation may be different in disturbed areas. In his comprehensive book about Horton Plains, Dr. Rohan Pethiagoda uses this particular photo as an example. The photo, taken by Henry Cave around 1890, shows the montane forest near Adams Peak regenerating after it was cleared for tea cultivation. Here the foreground vegetation is mostly dominated by tree ferns. However, Dr. Rohan states that bracken and aggressive alien species now outcompete tree ferns during regeneration in the area. Available data reveals that there are around 50 exotic plant species at Horton Plains,